Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pay to Trade. Thanks for joining me again. And today I'm going to do another recap of this morning's trade. So it's a one and done trade. All right, so as you can see, I'm about to set up my buy order. So I got a limit order set on the bid side. We already wicked down to 151.11, so I thought I missed my entry. But as you can see, we still came right down, right over it. I think 151.11.50, actually 151.10. So I could have got in a little bit lower. My stop is just below that, so I think it's at 151.09. Yeah, it's a 10-point stop. So I got a little bit higher. Thought I missed my entry, but we're still sitting pretty good. And I have my profit target set up at 5, 10, and 15. So I'm gonna definitely take the first two, and then I think we're gonna break over that wick. At least this is what I was thinking. And so I'm gonna scoop my last profit target over that 15 mark. But we already closed out $100. We hit the first 5-pointer. And now we're about to hit 10. There you go. So now we'll close at 300, and that's on the small accounts, and that's 900 on the larger account that we're trading today. All right, and so overall, just going back a little bit, if you look 3 candles back on the far left chart, you can see there's a wick all the way down to the bottom of this little baby zone, and that's at the price of 150.80. So I saw that I missed that, and so once I saw that we closed above this little baby zone, that's the next entry I was thinking was 151.11. But by the time I got my video up, I was trying to record this, and I had my, I was getting my account set up, and setting up my trade copier. I was like just running it, I was pushing it. If I didn't record, then I would have got my entry at 151.11, but that's okay. I hope this is beneficial to you guys. Hope this works out. I'm gonna fast forward here. Okay, so at this point you can see I've changed things up a little bit. I just added on at the bottom of the candle, and I left my stop in place in case we just fell through that. But I'm thinking we're holding this area so far, so I gave up a little bit of my cushion. I was up 15 points, so I want to snag some of that back, and hopefully we're still going to run up, but I'm just adding on to the profit. And so now we just almost doubled our profit. I see we're playing this range so far. We're playing the range, but I'm definitely losing confidence. I'm not sure if we're going to break above that previous wick, because now we're making lower highs. So what I want to do is I'm going to see if we hold above this zone. And I'm contemplating adding on again, but I'm not sure. So I'm also thinking about getting out. So as you can see, as soon as we start coming down towards the bottom of that zone, I'm thinking about just getting out and waiting to see if we hold. So instead of letting it hit my my hard stop, if we break just below the other candle, I'm out, so I can save a couple extra points. But even if we got out there, we'd be sitting pretty good on the day. But now that we're holding, I'm looking at just adding on. So I set up another limit order, and so at this point, I'm just hoping that we get one last push up, which, based on how the NASDAQ usually behaves, it's probably something we're going to do. We'll see this candle turn green, but it doesn't mean that we're going to be going through the roof. So I set up my last limit order, and I'm hoping to get filled. If I don't get filled, then I'm just going to get out, because at this point I've lost all confidence in the trade. And that's it. One trade a day is all you need. And so as you can see, we stuck within our main trade idea, and sticking above that zone, and even playing a tight range, because we were able to trade multiple accounts at once. We can walk away with just over 6,000, and within 20 minutes. So I do have some links in the description in case you guys would like to try out Apex Trader Funding. They're still running their 90% off, good until July 6th. But let me know what you think about the trade. Let me know if you thought it was a solid trade, or if you would have done things a little bit different. And as always, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.